Hello guys, welcome back into a new video. In this video I am going to unbox and review a brand new smartwatch, which comes with exciting features such as Wi-Fi calling, Bluetooth calling, heart rate monitor, Bluetooth music, weather, sports mode, Bluetooth camera and pedometer. So if you are new in my channel then please consider to subscribe, like and share for more informative contents.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
আপনার প্ল্যানের বৈধতা আগামী 2 দিনের মধ্যে শেষ হয়ে যাবে। রিচার্জ করুন এখনই অবিচ্ছিন্ন পরিষেবা উপভোগ করতে।
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hope you guys like this video. If you like it then please consider to subscribe, like and share.